Quite clearly the rainy season is picking up. In theory it should be now 3-4 days of rain. It's been raining already a couple of days, but very little, and with short periods only, with sun in between. But now it looks like sky is all dark with no space for sun. So in a couple of days I'm having a moment of truth in my cave, when the water comes down through the rocks, volcanic porous rocks, and gonna drip down in my cave. We'll see. But beautiful, what I wanted to say. Even rainy and dark day here is just nice, just beautiful. Feeling good. Not like in Paris, where I lived last 5 years before coming here. Like whole summer, even when it's raining, it's cold and nasty. Here, when it's raining, is nice, comfortable, good, fresh air, nature, beautiful nature.